Yes, so this is question number 2. Now, this question says represent each of the inequalities below on a number line. Now I'm going to add another part to it. So let's call that part A. For part B now, rewrite the normally call it inequations. Inequations, because there's an inequality in it. It's a kind of an equation, but it's inequality. So write the inequations that are open-ended in an alternative way. Okay, so this is part B for number 2. Number 2 has a part B, and I'm going to paste it in the assignment. Number 2 has a part A, and number 2 now has a part B, and I'm going to tell all you why number 2 has a part B, and you're going to appreciate why I am saying this. Okay, so make sure you put your part B for number 2. Rewrite the inequations that are open-ended in an alternative way. Okay, so solutions, part A. It says represent each of the inequalities below on a number line. So I need a number line. Oh, let me see if I can get a number line quickly. Number line. Let's see if this has a number line in it. No, not this number line. Come on, number line. No. Number line. Okay, look at number line right there. Okay, so can I copy this number line? Okay, I want everything. Do I want the arrow and the circles? Okay, Control C. So I'm going to answer part A. Solutions, well, part C. A, part C. Okay, so part C now is saying all the numbers that are greater than -1. So symbolically, this reads all the numbers Remember, we say always start reading from the X, all the numbers, and then when we go towards the right, we see the opening. So we see all the numbers that are greater than. All the numbers that are greater than -1. All right. So that's what this inequality is saying. All the numbers that are greater than -1. So we're supposed to represent this now on the number line. So the circle will not be shaded. So I can ungroup this. Okay. And the circle will not be shaded. And there'll only be one circle, and the arrow will be open-ended. Open-ended arrow. All the numbers that are greater than -1. So supposed to be pointing towards the right. Say that again. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about that. So shaded, and then pointing towards the right, the circle will be unshaded. So there'll be, in terms of fill, no fill. Okay, so starting with number 1. Circle will start on number 1. Okay, let me put the fill as white. So what it will do now, starting from number 1, and it will cover the arrow. Okay. Now, all the numbers that are greater than -1, where are these numbers? These are numbers like 0, 9, 5, all the numbers that are greater than -1. You know, stopping on 5, it continues. So that's why you have to put the arrow a little, almost same length with the X. You see all the X's that are greater than -1. Okay, so here it is symbolically. Okay, so here's the diagram for this, all the numbers that are greater than -1. Now part B, now it says, part B of C, it says rewrite the inequations in another form. So this is an open-ended one. I can write this in another way, and it communicating the same information, all the numbers that are greater than -1. X is all the numbers, okay? X stands for all the numbers, and I can put the -1 on the left side of X. So you see the -1 is on the right side of X. X is greater than -1. But I can put the -1 on the left side of X. But remember, we said the opening have to face the X. The greater than part have to face the X. So here it is. So this version of this statement says the same thing. All the numbers that are greater than -1. Okay, so this one on top and this one below, they are both communicating the same information. And here it is in the number line. All the numbers that are greater than -1. All the numbers that are greater than -1. Okay, so that's what I mean by rewriting the open-ended ones in a different version. Okay, in a different form, and it communicates the same information. Okay,